Minexa is designed for both worlds, a no-code interface for analysts and a full API for engineers building large-scale systems. Let's see how it easily handles scraping job listings from freshersworld.com. Navigate to the freshersworld.com page you want to scrape. Whether it's dynamic or filtered, Minexa works directly on the live rendered page. Open the Minexa extension. This is where you start extracting data from any web page in seconds. Click the button, and Minexa begins analyzing the full page. It identifies repeating result patterns and understands how content is organized across the page. Nothing gets cut off at page 1. Minexa detected the pagination and handles all pages from here automatically. Select whether you only need the fields shown on the list or the full data available on each item's own page. Click Continue for direct pages. Switch to advanced mode when the page requires interaction steps before data appears. Confirm the highlighted block. If it matches your data, this is the only step needed before you can run extraction at any scale. All fields are ready to use. If a value is missing on a page, it returns blank instead of pulling the wrong data, keeping your dataset clean. You can extract job titles, companies, locations, and more. Click API Request to get code that handles multiple groups of URLs in one request, while returning everything in a single structured output. No automatic fill-ins. Click Complete Configuration and missing fields will always come back blank. All pages are covered. The navigation Minexa detected earlier is now part of your scraper configuration. Your scraping job is ready. Click to create it, and extraction will start straight away. Press Run, and Minexa handles pagination, page loading, and optional JavaScript rendering automatically from start to finish. All of this was extracted automatically. JavaScript-heavy pages, delayed content, and request-level protections were handled without you needing to configure anything. You get clean job titles, company names, locations, and application deadlines in one place. Click Export to download the output. The structure stays identical whether you ran this manually or through automation. One system for crawling, rendering, and extraction, so you never need to assemble or maintain separate tools again.